What up guys, my name is Phi. I am a vlogger, traveler, and a filmmaker. I've been traveling to Vietnam back and forth for 2 years now. That's right, 2 years now. So today I will tell you what to do for cheap and free if this is your first time going to Vietnam. But first let's start it in the heart of Vietnam. That's it, Saigon. So let's get started with the countdown. Number 5. Well, if you go to Saigon, you cannot miss this. This is one of the most popular tourist places ever. That's the church. It's located right in the middle of Saigon. It's built in 1880 by the French, and there's only a few remaining strongholds left, and this is one of them. Very beautiful place for video and picture. And right next to it is a central post office, like literally right next to it. It's also a nice place, and you can go in there buy stuff. Also, you can send post mail all over the world. So you can have a best of two both worlds right next to each other. Number 4. Well, what's a better way to experience than the deeper part of Saigon? That is the Jade Temple. It's dedicated to the supreme goddess who is the gatekeeper of the heaven. Well, that's what the local told me. This place is really breathtaking from the outside, with a lot of shine, insect, and stick fill the yard with fracking smoke. This place is really breathtaking. But the inside is be a little bit overcrowded because how many tourists there is. So if I were you guys, definitely gotta visit this place. It's worth the experience. Number 3. Yes, it's another temple, and it's called Thien Hau. It's a Buddhist temple dedicated to the Chinese goddess. Why is this my number 3 pick? Because as soon as you step in this temple, you see very beautiful design by the Chinese culture. It's not overcrowded, and it's a very big temple. You can walk around, pray, and also if you have some time and some money, you can give some money to the charity. The story behind this temple is really cool, so I would definitely check this out. It's one place you must visit when you're in Saigon. Number 2. Well, this is my hidden gem spot. Now a lot of tourists know about this place, but it's a theme park. It's called Suối Tiên. It will cost you about 1,020 dong. That's like $6. So why did I pick this place? Well, if you love Chinese architecture, and this is for you. And if you don't feel like going all the way to northern part of Vietnam to see a lot of like ancient stuff, this is for you. Everything in this place is beautiful, from the statue to the temple that built inside this theme park. Yes, they have a lot of temple in this place, and it's really nice. Really nice than the one outside Saigon. Let me tell you that. This also have a lot of activity you can do, and this place is well done. So this really deserves the number 2 spot, and it's a hidden gem. So if you come to Vietnam, up Saigon, you want to take a look, this place called Suối Tiên. So I recommend you guys check this out. My number 1 pick is the food. Yes, the food. This is easily my number 1 pick, no matter what. Because everywhere you go, you will see delicious food from the street to the restaurant, and the price range from $1 to $10. So this is one thing you cannot miss in Saigon, and you definitely try it. Gotta try all the food, like from the exotic to the weird stuff. It's worth the trip if you have that kind of taste like I do. So definitely try out the food. So there you have it guys, my top 5 places must do in Saigon for cheap and free. I hope you like it. My name is Free, also known as Let's Adventure. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I update new video every week, from vlogging to visual storytelling. Make sure to follow my Instagram and YouTube for upcoming content. Thanks again for watching. Peace out, and see you next time.